Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry for that hiatus. As most of you know, I have a full-time job as a pastry chef, and since about the second week of November, me and my team have been getting ready with all the special desserts we're gonna be serving. So a big shout out to them for helping us get through one of the busiest seasons we have ever had. It's been pretty hectic and busy and long hours and only one day off a week, so I haven't had the chance to actually record any videos. Thankfully, I've been working on it for so long now that mostly everything has been completed and done. Well, as you can see my surroundings, they're looking a lot better. Christmas has come and gone, but I still have my little tree up. The store is open, but I'll officially be publishing all the listings on January 1st, so don't forget January 1st. Right now I have about 12 listings ready to go, all set up. Etsy lets you post them as a draft, so it's not visible to the public, which has been great for me because it's taken me a long time to take pictures of all the stickers and then write in all the details that go under each sticker sheet. Now I just need January 1st to come. By the time I post this video, the sticker shop is gonna be open, so now it's not a secret anymore. I could actually show you what my stickers are gonna be looking like. So I've showed you guys this box before. I think for storage, it's gonna be pretty nifty to keep all the stickers in here, but I am limited to the size of sticker sheet that goes in here. So for now, this is gonna help me out. I don't know in the future if it will, but it's working out now. So stickers in a different type of box just to protect them. And I have printed out about 8 copies of each one. So that way, if I get a couple orders right off the bat, I know that I'm ready and I could ship them out pretty quickly. I have all 12 designs. I don't know if you could really see them very well, but still. I have all 12 designs and I'll lay them out now so you can see them all. Okay, so here they all are. I'm gonna show you one by one so you can start seeing them. This is the feathers and arrow. Let me see if I could fix the view. Feathers and arrows. I printed all of these on white glossy sticker sheets. So I feel like with colors and stuff like that, it looks better with the shine. These are the colored cameras. These are street signs. I did the same cameras in black and white. These were the way they were originally, and then painted and colored in on the other sticker sheets. So side by side, it's the same thing, a design, but one of them in color and one of them's in black and white. Then you have the financial sticker sheet with some payday stickers, some paid bill stickers, credit card payment reminders, anything you want to do with cash signs, and some savings, little piggies. And then this one is one that I wanted to create myself. I feel that a lot of people do wreaths for their bullet journals or planners, and they're hollow in the middle, and you could basically write anything you want on your sheet. I mean, you could basically write whatever you want in the middle, and it was just the design all around on the outside. Some beauty stickers, eyelashes, big eyelashes, medium eyelashes, small eyelashes, some lipsticks, some cute little heels, some lips, palette, a couple things for now. Then I have a colored wreath, floral wreath, that again has the gap in the middle so that you could write whatever you want across on your journal or planner. Some dividers, page dividers, This could go on as borders on the top, or headers, or in between pages. This was kind of interesting because I don't see many of them on Etsy. I do see some, but not many, so I made some different kinds that you could kind of peel off and still have a cute little design. And then some sushi decorative stickers. I think these are the cutest thing in the world. I'm a big sushi fan, so I wanted to do some sushi stickers for planners and your bullet journals. And then of course some weather stickers, some clouds, some rainbows. I like these, the one with the little thunder, lightning bolts going on. And a different divider set. I like the little light bulbs. Those are my favorite. So I hope you liked all the designs. I can't wait for them to actually start selling and go through the whole process of packaging and sending everything out to everybody who buys them. So today is Sunday and Hobby Lobby's closed, so I'm gonna go to Micheals to find a couple things to decorate around the stickers. When I was taking pictures of this set of stickers, I found myself limited with stuff to put around them. So I'm gonna see what I can find at Micheals. And on a good note, Micheals has a coupon today, 20% off all purchases, including sale items. So I can't miss out on that. See you in a bit. So I've made a decision. I've been trying to stop drinking as much coffee as I do, but today is my day off and I'm supposed to not be drinking coffee, but I need it. So I'm at Starbucks. I feel like I always come to Starbucks when I do a video, but it's part of my routine, so I have to get a cup. Well, iced coffee. I don't know all the words. I feel like my day could start now, even though it's almost 1. I've been home all morning. Okay, Micheals it is. See you later. So I've just left Micheals. Oh my God, I went a little overboard. Not a little, a lot overboard. Oh my God, oh my God. I can't believe what I just did. And even with the 20% coupon, I feel like it did help, but it didn't help at the same time. I'm starting to look into things that I could do next to add on into the sticker shop. So of course, when it comes to doing that, you want to be able to buy and make it first in smaller amounts and see if it's gonna work out, if it's cost efficient, and well, that's what I was doing. So I have a couple ideas, which meant I bought a couple different things, but then now I spend way too much money at Micheals. But whatever, it is what it is. And I totally forgot that I had a gift card that I got for Christmas in my bag, that I could have used that. Anyways, going, oh, hold on. My friend Terica, let me stop. She's FaceTiming me. Oh my God, I can't believe I got that on camera. Ugh. I'm in total shock and excitement. Oh my God, the lighting is terrible here. Let me see if I can move the car somewhere else so you guys could see me properly. Oh my God. So Terica just called me and she's engaged. Oh my God, how exciting. Her fiance, John, literally just proposed. Oh my God, how freaking exciting. Oh, she's gonna get married. That just made my year. I am so happy for her. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm just gonna be on a high for the rest of the day. Congratulations, Terica and John, on your engagement. I can't wait to see you guys. I can't wait for you guys to get married. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm back from Micheals. I guess I'll show you guys what I bought. So no one has to tell me that I have issues with Micheals because I already know that. But I got a couple things to start thinking about, new things to incorporate into the Etsy shop. So look at these. They're Martha Stewart. They have, what, 3, 6, 9, 12 different types of glitters. Let's see if you can see them all. The glare is killing me. It's focusing on my face. So, it's 12 different types of glitters. Look how pretty they are. They're very pastel-y, and they're Martha Stewart. Then I got this. Oh my God, look at this pack. Look at all these colors. And there's 28 of them. I got these cute little flowers to take, like, put around the stickers to take pictures with. I got these little clothespins also to put around to take pictures. What else? I bought some more washi tape. I don't have much light pastel colors, so I figured it'd go well with the flowers and the pins. So I got those. And then I bought a pack of the clear Shrinky Dink paper. Oh, wrong side. Well, no, both sides. Shrinky Dink paper. I've seen a lot of people do enamel pins and stuff like that, so I figured maybe give it a try. We'll see how it works, because you have to, like, it says here you have to use permanent marker. It says it works well with permanent marker and alcohol-based inks. So I guess we'll see. I got the clear one, and then because of that, I don't have much Sharpies, so I found this big boy, and it's a set. I guess they created it for Christmas. It's a set that brings 25 of the, I think it's the regular, no, yeah, 25 of the regular fine tip Sharpies and 20 of the ultra fine tip Sharpies. So there's 45 different types of Sharpies in this pack. And I couldn't resist because I don't really have much coloring things or Sharpies. I do buy Sharpies on the regular for work, but I only buy black ones, but I don't have any in color. So I figured this would be great, and especially because they had a sale with the 20% out. It was already on discount on top of the 20% discount. Sorry, it was already on sale, and I also got the 20% discount on them. So original price was $79.99. It was at $54.99, and I got a 20% discount on that. I also got the little enamel backings to see if the enamel pins work or whatever I decide to do with them. And then I was curious to see if maybe some of these would work out for maybe people putting on their bags. Might be better than the pin. And then I got these. Now, these are little metal rings that they sell at Micheals. They have this whole new section on metals, and they sell the letters that you could hammer onto metal. Oh, sorry, aluminum. And you could also engrave. So they have all these different types of design, but I went with this round one specifically for the project that I want to involve the glitter with. I bought a couple other things, but I don't want to show you yet because that's going to be part of the new project that I want to work into the Etsy store. But yeah, that was my Micheals visit. And I can't go there again because I just keep buying things. See my issues? Okay, I'll see you later. Bye. It's January 6th. Unfortunately, I didn't get to record the opening. I was in the middle of serving people in the restaurant because it opened on January 1st at midnight. So I didn't get the chance to record it, but I'm gonna show you what the Etsy store looks like right now. So this is what the Etsy website looks like right now. All 12 listings are here and they look so cute. So on January 4th, I actually got my first order. They ordered actually these 4 top right here. It was the beauty sticker, the sushi sticker, the dividers, and the financials. I've actually also put in an add-on all of them, starting off to see if it starts to move. I've heard a lot of people say that it takes about a month for people to actually start buying things on your Etsy, so it's gonna be a little while before it starts moving, but at least I got my first real order. I'm really excited to see what's gonna go on with everything. I've gotten my first sale. I haven't packaged it yet because on Etsy it shows that it's still pending. They actually emailed me saying, have it right here, saying we are still processing your order and we'll send you a confirmation email as soon as it's ready. That was on Saturday. Today is Monday. It's still not cleared, so I don't know what to do. I don't have to contact Etsy. I don't know how long this process takes, so I'm gonna give it another day, and if anything, I'll just contact Etsy. But yeah, my store's officially open. Please check it out. It's Venus Girl Studio on Etsy. There's 12 listings. I'm hoping to release a couple new ones the beginning of next month, so please stay tuned to that because I'm already working on some things. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to know when I post my next video, hit the little bell so you could get a notification once it's uploaded. Please, if you have any advice or any questions, comment down below. And if you've made it this far down the video, put a little firework emoji to celebrate the new year. Okay, see you later. Bye.